You can expect a lot from the 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. This two-door, four-passenger convertible is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include front fog lights, a power seat, heated and ventilated seats, automatic temperature control, a power convertible roof, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as knee airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.